Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a double unboxing. We are going to see a unboxing from Fendi as well as YSL. Okay guys, let's get right into the unboxings. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury handbag reviews and neutrals on this channel. I would love it if you like and subscribe. I'm going to kick things off with my YSL. So if you are familiar with YSL, you'll probably recognize this box. I did purchase this from Neiman Marcus and it came in the mail, and I haven't had a chance to look at this yet. So there we go. Okay, we have the YSL card holder in the color caramel. So I saw a similar wallet from Fashionably Elise. I remember seeing her beautiful wallet and I was inspired, influenced by her, that I was like, I have to check out that color. And you know, I can't resist a good caramel beige color. What I love about the YSL, you've got that pebbled leather. It's so great. It's very durable in my experience. I've had a card holder from YSL before. Close up. What I love about this one in particular, it's got a little bit more room than your basic card holder. An area to put cash in, an area where a zipper pocket, and a few cards. I think that's great. And of course, I think it's so pretty in that chevron design. Next up, we have a quick shade comparison. Now, I did bring my Chanel card holder so we could see a little bit of comparison. So here we are. Now look at that. Isn't that something? The color, it does have more pink undertones with the Chanel caramel. This one's definitely more that brown base. Still pretty. They're different, but I love having both of them. I think it's perfect because you have two different styles of card holders, whereas this one will be perfect for a lot of my small mini bags. And this one, you know, there are some days when you just want to have something with a little bit more substantial for a wallet, or you've just got more things to put in the wallet. This is the perfect type of wallet. And then this, I think the price for this one, I want to say it was $4.75 on Neiman Marcus, but I love having them both. You know, I can't resist a good caramel. Okay, let's get into Fendi. Now this is a Fendi bag, and if you could guess from the thumbnail, you see it's not a peekaboo. It's a baguette, and I think we are all just excited to see what this baguette looks like. But here's a little bit of surprise. It's not what you think. And I kind of changed it up a little bit. You'll see what I mean when I show it to you guys. But hopefully you guys like it. Ah! Here we go. So we have the Fendi baguette in this light purple Zucca print. I did purchase this from Fashion File, and this was totally not on my radar. Of course, I wanted a baguette, but this particular one, it just looks so interesting to me. And I'm going to tell you the story behind this is I had my wish list where very much wanted a baguette, and we were looking at either the brown color or the light beige. That makes sense for me and my collection. Also, I noted about the Chanel minis. A lot of those minis I'm looking at are in the light pastel colors. When I come across this particular bag, I thought it was almost like a nice way to test out if I like Fendi and baguettes, one, and then two, if I'm even into color. Because this one, I think it was about maybe $700. It's a good price point for me to see if I want to step it up and purchase more of the baguettes that are over $3,000, and even see if I like color. Because, you know, who knows, those minis are expensive too. So we're talking about over $4,000 for a Chanel mini in a color, and those are hard to find. I think having this type of bag is a good way to feel this out. And of course, I could always sell this bag back to Fashionphile, no problem. But yeah, what do you guys think about this color? I think it goes well with my brown and beige collection. It looks very complimentary. Like I said, guys, I think we're just gonna see how I like baguettes. I think baguettes are great because they're so different. They come in so many different fun types of prints and colors, and this was one that just caught my eye, and it was like, yeah, let's do it, let's try it. So I'm excited to see what comes out of this one. I thought this was so cute. I'm gonna try it out, and I think the Zuka print is fun. I just always loved it, and I still may end up getting the leather version because I think it's so pretty. But yeah, guys, this is my newest bag. Unexpected, but I love it. I think it's fun. Love to hear what you guys think of this one. Are you surprised by this baguette at all? What do you think of the color? But I would say overall too, when it comes to my bags, I'm getting to a point, I wouldn't say purse piece, but certainly just trying to be more thoughtful about when I'm going beyond the Chanel Classic Flap in 19, what other styles might excite me that are unique for my collection that can kind of, they almost lean more trendy, but as we know, the baguette is more iconic to Fendi. So I'm very excited to have this in my collection now. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think of my YSL caramel wallet as well as my Fendi Zuka print baguette. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.